Does meal prepping feel totally overwhelming to you? You want to plan healthy meals for yourself and your family, but every time you try, it ends up feeling like a full-time job, and you're burned out before the week even starts. I used to feel that way too, until I discovered a simple 3-step meal prep system that literally saved my sanity. And today, I'm sharing it with you. Hey friend, I'm Coach Tiffany, founder of Red Flower Health. As a Christian health coach, I help busy women like you feel your bodies, honor your health, and live with grace and peace in your daily routines. Today, I'm sharing the exact 3-step meal prep system that transformed my weeks from chaos to calm. And I know it can do the same for you. Before I started using this system, meal prepping was such a struggle. I'd spend hours searching for these elaborate recipes that looked restaurant worthy because I wanted everything to taste amazing. And honestly, they did taste amazing, but they took forever to plan and prep. I'd find recipes that needed so many steps or tons of ingredients that needed chopping and prepping, and by the time I was done, I felt completely burned out. It just wasn't sustainable. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I kept trying to plan these fancy meals, but in the end, I just didn't have the energy to keep up with it. And we ended up eating out more because I couldn't stay consistent. This might not be your exact story, but I'm sure you can relate. So what changed? Here's my simple 3-step system. Step 1. Plan meals that fit your routine. Instead of choosing elaborate recipes that looked good on Pinterest but didn't fit my life, I started prioritizing meals that actually worked for my schedule, my energy levels, and my routine. Once I started focusing on recipes that were simple, realistic, and still tasted great, I started noticing I could meal prep more consistently without feeling exhausted before the week even started. Step 2. Prep ingredients, not always meals. Instead of cooking full meals ahead of time, I often just prep the ingredients. I wash and chop veggies, cook a big batch of protein, or portion out healthy snacks. Then during the week, I can mix and match quickly without feeling tied to eat the exact same meal every day. Step 3. Schedule prep for when you have energy. I used to meal prep after work after I was already tired, stressed, and hangry, and it just did not work well. Now, I strategically plan my prep on days where I'm off from work because I have more energy and mental bandwidth to actually get it done. And if I can't prep everything on my days off, I look at my week ahead and choose the slowest day to schedule meal prep. This has made such a huge difference. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these steps do you think would help you the most this week? Or if you can relate to feeling overwhelmed by meal prepping, type "me too" in the comments so I know I'm not alone in this. And if you have any questions about meal prep systems, drop them below and I'll answer them for you. If you're ready to simplify meal prepping even further and finally create healthy eating routines that honor your health and your life, I invite you to check out my free meal prep workshop. Feel your body, honor your health. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more grace-filled health tips and simple strategies to care for your body well. See you next time. Coach Tiffany.